Good afternoon, THS. I'm Delaney.
And I'm Topaz.
And this is your announcements. Girls basketball tryouts will begin on the 2nd of November from 3:30 to 6 in the lower gym. But make sure you have a physical.
So, tomorrow there will be a zombie pep rally. Dress as a zombie or a survivor, but remember to stay in dress code. Also, don't bring or wear a mask to school. Have fun with it, but just don't take it too far. Zombie cheers will be posted in the cafeteria hallway.
There will be a meeting today at 6 in Miss Woodard's room for those of you guys who are going on the New York trip in December. Y'all will be talking about travel plans and the schedule and all those good things.
Don't forget to sign up for trivia in the main office. Trivia night is Thursday, November 5th. Activities begin at 5:45. Dinner and trivia will actually start at 6.
The chemistry review nights for EOC begin this week. Ms. Pollock will stay after school for 1 hour on Thursdays, starting today through the 12th of November for partial EOC reviews. The full semester review will begin on December 3rd from 5 until 8. If you plan to attend the December review, make sure that you bring $5 for pizza, drinks, and dessert.
So FCA is currently hosting a coat drive. Bring any coats that are no longer being used, yours, your parents, your siblings, etc., to your first period teacher. The class that collects the most coats will be treated to a donut party, so please support this cause.
Ms. Booten in the counseling office is now collecting money for the AP test. Each test will cost $100 or $53 for reduced lunch. The deadline is December 11th, but make sure that you bring your money in before then. The sooner, the better.
Dustin Lynch's second annual Christmas concert will be held in the auditorium on December 1st at 7. Tickets are $25 and all proceeds benefit local children's charities. A special pre-sale for THS students and staff will be held this week outside the cafeteria during lunch periods. There's a limit of 4 tickets per person. More details to follow. Join the fun and see Dustin Lynch and friends in concert on December 1st.
Now here's our senior announcements. A second order for the senior t-shirts will be offered this week only. The shirts will have seniors on the front and if you want for $11. And if you want a name on the back, it'll be an extra cost. We need a minimum of 10 shirts to make the order. Orders must be paid by tomorrow. See Ms. Brown in the counseling office to order yours.
Now for tomorrow's lunch.
Crunchy Hawaiian chicken wrap.
Brown rice.
Spicy red beans. Creole chicken and roll.
Seasoned green beans.
Flame roasted baby bakers.
And kiwi and strawberries. So this has been The Hype. Have a great afternoon.